Hi everyone, it's me, Blake. Hopefully you're soon to be recognisable wheelchair user. I'm just letting you all know that over the duration of the next few weeks, I'm going to be uploading various videos about how I live and how I do my daily tasks and things around the house, i.e. work, get to work, cars, cooking equipment that makes my life a lot easier, and cleaning, laundry, working out equipment, all that stuff. And hopefully I'm going to get a few of my friends whom are doctors, nurses, OTs, some support workers, to hopefully give you guys a bit of a understanding of how we adjust to our new lives in chairs and stuff. So if you seem interested at all, hang out on the channel, or like and subscribe, or whatever it is. And yeah, I'll upload the next one in a few days or a few hours or something. All right, thank you. Bye for now.